Hey guys, how's it going? This video we're going to be talking about nickel and why nickel is so important. Elon actually mentioned nickel a while back. This video was dated June 28, 2018. Back then, Tesla wasn't as big of a company, so people didn't really care about investing into nickel. But now that Tesla is worth $250 billion or something like that. I don't know what the exact market cap is, but they're worth around $14 to $1,700 depending on the day. It could be worth as much as $1,000. But that's not important. The important fact is Tesla is building so many gigafactories right now, and they're gonna need a huge supply of nickel. And I'm going to be playing this video where he talks about that, nickel is actually the most important part of the battery. So let's begin.
It's called lithium ion. The actual percentage of lithium in a lithium ion cell is approximately 2%. So, I mean, technically our cells should be called nickel.
Nickel graphite.
Yeah, exactly, nickel graphite, because the primary constituent in the cathode is, or in the cell as a whole, is nickel. And then on the anode side, it's graphite with silicon oxide. So, and then there's a little bit of lithium in there, but it's kind of like it's like the salt on the salad. It's really not the, it's a small percentage of the mass. It's still important to avoid supply constraints and to make sure that the tail doesn't wag the dog on cost. But it's the main determinants of the cost of the cell are the price of nickel in the form that we need it, and there's a little bit of cobalt and some aluminum, and then the cost of the synthetic graphite with the silicon oxide coating.
He needs a lot of nickel. And then if you just recently, this video came out, Tesla nickel problem. As you can see, nickel is really heavily used on stainless steel, alloy, and plating. Battery uses only 3 to 5%. But with Tesla building so many gigafactories, and the fact that Tesla is ramping up semis, in this video they explain about how a semi basically uses a lot of, like, the battery on a semi is huge. So they're going to be using, like, I think they said that one semi equals to about 15 Model 3s in the video they talk about. And so nickel is going to be very, very important for Tesla moving forward. That's why nickel stocks are popping like crazy right now. But yeah, so you should watch this video if you have time. I find it very informative. It was very interesting. So definitely give it a look if you have time. But anyways, so this is an article on Monthly Fool. This was this was way back in the day. This was like 2018. But they talked about two stocks, BHP Billiton and Val SA. You can read the article for yourself. I'm not gonna read it out, but 268 metric tons from 2008 to 2022 of nickel, and just for Vale, and for BHP it's the same thing. So yeah, these two are big companies. And now let's look at the nickel prices. So in 2008, nickel was, I don't know what happened here, like why nickel was so valuable. And then it dropped like a rock when the stock market crashed and the economy crashed, bounced back, and then, crashed again. And then, just kind of traded sideways for a while. And ever since Elon Musk mentioned nickel prices have gone up a little bit, just a little bit. So, pay attention to the price of nickel. It will determine the price of the stock. So let's look at BHP. So BHP is a $134 billion market cap company. So, I mean, and the stock is already kind of like at 52-week high. So I don't, like, I mean, it could go up higher. Like, if we look at its all-time high, It was, let's see, hold on. So yeah, this stock has been up to $95, $100. So if nickel prices recover, and this is also a mining company, they just don't mine nickel, but if the stock price recovers, we could see this thing back at like, $100. You would double your money potentially. If you want to believe in this company long term, you could double your money. That's pretty good, especially if the price of nickel increases. Vale, this one is a $57 billion company. Right now, it is at 52-week highs, or very close. I guess 52-week highs was around $13. So you could potentially make some more money on this. This is a very safe company, and they also pay dividends, 34 cents, 35 cents every time they pay a dividend. The stock has, the highest has been in 2011 was $34. So Vale actually is a more attractive opportunity than BHP, because Vale could be worth, $36 in the future. That would be a 3x return on investment, which is not bad at all. That's a pretty good. But if the stock market crash, you could see prices that, ooh, wow, that would have been such an attractive price point, $2.37. I wonder what happened here. What happened here? That would have been a super nice price to buy this stock at, $2.27. But yeah, so Vale is a good one too. And then these are more speculation stock. FPX Nickel Corp. What do they do? FPX Nickel Corp is a Canada-based mineral exploration company. The company is involved in acquisition and exploring mineral property interests. It operates an exploration mineral property segment. But if we look at the I'm on the website, as soon as Elon Musk mentioned it, they quickly went on and they updated the investor presentation. You can download the corporate presentation here, and they put a Cybertruck there. Obviously, oh, come on, Elon, sign the contract with us. But they are based in Canada. So, yeah, and they quickly updated the investor presentation for nickel. So, yeah, you guys can read it through. But as we can see, the stock price, basically skyrocketed. It went from 5 days. Wow. Okay. So yeah, it just keeps going up. It was 20 cents, not 20 cents, and then Elon Musk mentions nickel, and the stock keeps going up. It keeps running. How far could it run? I don't know. At the end of the day, I don't know how much money is going to pump this stock, but we could see this thing go back to $1. That would 3x your money, possibly. Not financial advice at all. Please don't listen to me. Not financial advice. I'm just giving you something that could give you a huge return on investment. So just be careful, and if Tesla stock crashes, we could see this thing go back to 9 cents, 10 cents. But at the end of the day, even if Tesla stock crashes, Tesla's still building a bunch of factories, and they're gonna need a lot of nickel. So, this could be an interesting play. It is in Canada. I like this one more, but this one is traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange, Talon Metal Corporation. The stock spiked as soon as Elon Musk. This is one company I invested into. So yeah, I quickly looked for nickel stocks, and I bought this one. So I don't know how far high this will go, but just looking from the chart, from a charting perspective, it looks extremely bullish. So we'll see where this goes, but I'm just pointing out some plays for you guys. But none of this is financial advice. And in 2011, this stock has gone to $2.32. So I'm hoping that becomes the scenario again, and it goes to $2.55. I hope. I don't know. But as you can see, this stock quickly went from 33 cents all the way up to $2. So I'm hoping that happens for this stock. I do have a position, and if the stock dips, I might even buy some more. But yeah, this is the one I made a position on. Why did I make a position on this? Because they are a lithium company. They are in the United States. In Minnesota is the big nickel operation, and Elon could sign a contract with them. And this is the website, and as you can see, the investor presentation. I think they also quickly updated the investor presentation. But as you can see, Talon Metal Corp, they updated. They have a bunch of electric cars here, and the nickel operations is right here. Tamarack High Grade Nickel Corporation. So yeah, high grade nickel sulfate, exactly what Elon needs. He also needs I think they're gonna abandon cobalt, but obviously they need nickel. So, and stainless steel market for batteries for electric vehicles. So yeah, you guys can read it for yourself. I'm not, you guys do your research. I'm just here pointing out some interesting companies for a possible investment. Not trying to pump anything. I'm just making a video because I thought, people might want to watch it. It might be interesting, but at the end of the day, it's your choice to do what you want. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.